Welly Scale Model 1-87, BMW 120i. The BMW 1 Series is a range of subcompact executive cars C-segment, manufactured by BMW since 2004. It is the successor to the BMW 3 Series Compact and is currently in its third generation. The first generation was produced in hatchback, coupe and convertible body styles. Since the second generation, which introduced in 2011, the coupe and convertible models have been marketed separately as the BMW 2 Series, therefore the 1 Series range no longer includes these body styles. A sedan model became available for the Chinese market in 2017, using the front-wheel drive platform that would later form the basis for the third generation 1 Series. The 1 Series is BMW's entry level of model range. Unusually for a small hatchback, the 1 Series used a rear-wheel drive layout for the first two generations. All-wheel drive was introduced as an option in 2012. For the third generation introduced in 2019, the 1 Series switched to front-wheel drive. A BMW M version was produced for the first generation, the BMW 1 Series M Coupe, which became the predecessor to the BMW M2. The BMW 1 Series M Coupe, often referred to as the 1M, is the high-performance model of the E82 coupe range, sold under the BMW M Performance sub-brand. While BMW naming convention would have called the car the M1, an alternate name was chosen to avoid confusion with the 1970s BMW M1 supercar. At the 2007 Tokyo Auto Show, BMW unveiled the 1 Series T concept, which was thought to be a preview of the M version of the 1 Series. However, the eventual 1M model appeared 4 years later and with significant differences, such as an engine with 6 cylinders instead of 4. The 1M was BMW M's second turbocharged engine, after the S63 V8 which debuted in the X6M. The BMW N54 fitted to the 1M was originally being used in the E89 Z4 S-Drive 35s, and has rated outputs of 250 kilowatts, 335 bhp at 5,900 revolutions per minute and 450 Nm, 332 pounds-foot, from 1,500 to 4,500 revolutions per minute. An additional 50 Nm 37 pounds-foot is produced during overboost, taking overall peak torque to 500 Nm 369 pounds-foot. The sole transmission available was a 6-speed manual. The front and rear track widths were widened by 74 mm, 2.9 in, and 46 mm, 1.8 in, respectively, and a limited slip differential was used. As a result, the overall width is 1,803 mm, 71.0 in. The curb weight is 3,296 pounds or 1,495 kilograms. Initial plans were to limit production of the 1M Coupe to 2,700 units, however, the final production total was 6,309. The 1M Coupe placed third in the Evo Magazine 2011 Car of the Year Awards. It also featured on Top Gear on June 26, 2011 and recorded a time of 1:25.0 around the Top Gear test track under damp conditions. And received Richard Hammond's Car of the Year 2011 award in the Top Gear magazine.